Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the ringer volume on a Vtech corded phone. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So as I said before, if you have a Vtech corded phone like this and you want to adjust the ringer volume, it is actually really easy to do. Maybe your ringer's too loud, maybe your ringer's too quiet, maybe you don't want the ringer on at all. It's kind of up to you, but it's really easy to do. It's so easy, it's unbelievable. So take a look at the phone and you're going to look around it, okay? And as you're looking around it, you can see over here on this side, there is a switch, and I'll show you in a moment, that says ringer off, low, high. So right over there, that's your switch, okay? Now, that switch, I'm trying to get into focus. There we are. That switch right there controls the ringer volume. And as you can see, with those options, the ringer can be off, low, or high, which means it can be off, which is completely off. It can be low, which is a low volume, or it can be high, which is a high volume. All that you have to do is literally slide this from side to side, okay? You can slide it all the way to one side, and the ringer would be off, okay? You can put it in the middle, and the ringer would be low volume, or you can put it all the way to the other side, and the ringer would be high volume. You just have to slide that lever. So figure out, what you want, right? Off, obviously, is simple because it's going to have no volume. That's straightforward. But between low and high, you're going to have to experiment and see which one you want. So put it on low and see, if you want the ringer to be off, that's straightforward. Just choose off. Plain and simple. There's nothing really to think about with regards to that. But if you're debating between low and high, then put it on low, see how loud it is, and then put it on high, see how loud it is, and then make a decision based on which of those options you like more in terms of the ringer volume. And that is literally it. It is that simple. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.